Right. Okay, right here I have given an output value. So you need to define everything. Okay, so here first value, my requirement is, okay, I'll show you. My requirement is I need to sum the value. Okay, and what I'm doing, I'm giving first value, and I'm passing second value, and the output I have to store, right? Okay, so that is the reason what I have given. I have given output value, something like this I have given. Hmm? Right, first value equal to 10, for example. Hmm? Okay, second value equal to 20. Hmm? And then output means what I have to get. I have to get this to some value, right? So that is the reason what I'm doing. Instead of doing directly, what I will do, I'll use this. I'll prepare the logic. Okay, like this. So now if I return the huh, if I return the value of output value, then what I will get? That value means 30, I will get the value. So like this we can use the okay logic. So if you want to do multiplication or division, anything you can do by using the logic. Okay, so you need to understand the concept first of all. So now here you see I have given a message just to print the value anything, and then first value and second value, and here in the declaration I have given output value to print. Okay, to store the output value. That output value I am going to return here. Okay, message I have given here, right? I'll pass that message also, including this plus uh, in double quotation. Then space I'll give, huh? Yeah, then I output value. I'll give like this. Why? Because just wanted to have some space. Or else you don't use anything here. Directly you can write like this also. It will work. How I will show you. Output, output is space. Like this also we can use. Let me try to execute this one. So this value I wanted to give through the message. Okay, but okay, not an issue. Let me override this. Okay, my first function successfully created. Okay, and here also you can see this, but let me execute this. Now, what I have passed the parameters here, right? Okay, three parameters. Now, what I have to do, I have to give just anything I'll give here, a comma 10 comma 20. Now I will execute this. Output value is what happened? Invalid identifier. Output value is okay. I have given written directly here, right? Let me give message only. Message. Okay, I'll pass this value. Let me see. Hmm? Later we will correct that also. Hmm. Uncaught exception expression error line at by number numeric value is not recognized. Okay, by numeric value declare output int. Hmm. This is fine, and this is also fine. Hmm. Alright, then after what I will do, instead of like this, I'll give only one. Let's see whether I'll get the value or not. And then in the procedure also, I will remove this one. I don't want to give anything. Let me just check first. Huh? Later we will play with our. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, we got the 30. Okay. Now what I will do, I will use here. Okay. Um, 1 second. Okay. Now I'm just overwriting this so that we will see. Let me see now. I'm trying to execute unsupported value here. Okay. So actually we have to give plus one. Hmm? And give here single quotation. Last time we have given single quotation, double quotation, but it got failed, right? Okay. Numeric value is not recognized. Okay. Actually, this value is not what we can give like this. What we can do, okay. This is something we can try. Output value is plus one. This is just a written value. Mhm. Okay, fine then. We use like this for now. Later, I will show you how we can pass the messages. Okay. So you see now, right? Okay, we can pass the values like this. So now if you execute this one, you are getting the 30 because we have added the additions. Now I'll change 1,100 and here 200. Now if you execute total, you will get the 300. Okay, like this. So like this, we can practice anything here. Okay. Only the thing is you need to define the variables properly. Okay. And here if you give, we can dynamically change our values. That is very important. Okay. Now what we can do? Hmm? So slowly we need to practice by case. Then we can use our uh, results as well. Okay, what results? We can use the queries, we can use the uh, DML statements, everything we can use in the procedures. It is not like that we cannot use the, we can limit here. Okay, we can do many things by using the procedure. This is just one simple example I wanted to show you. Okay, and then I will show you again. So I have given output value here, right? Okay. Now, now I will add one more value, subtraction. Okay, subtraction. That also in time given. Hmm? Same, I'll copy paste. Okay, and I'll give subtraction. Okay, and I'll use the minus. Okay, and I'll give multiplication. So accordingly your requirement, hmm, you need to define the variables. Multiplication. Yeah. Okay. See, based on the requirement I am giving here. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Now I will give the return values like this. Let me see whether I will get output or not. I still have a doubt. But just a trying now. I'm also first time I'm preparing a procedure. See, unexpected. Why? Because I have missed here semicolon. Okay, I know I missed it. I'm selecting again. Okay, see, it will execute now. Hmm? I'm using same 100 and this one to see what value I'll get. You see, total it has given like this. Hmm? Okay, because I have added the value plus plus plus, right? Hmm? Instead of that, what I will do, I will use the three returns like this. And okay, I'm just three returns I have given. Whenever you add procedure, right, you need to replace procedure again. Okay, now you see, only you got the first one. Why we got the first one? That we have to observe. Hmm? Because we have stored all these values, right? Okay. Now let me see. I will not give this output. Okay. Now I'll give only these two. Hmm. Only subtraction I'll give. Let me see whether I'll get the result or not. See, I got the value. But now, why this was not printed? Now we need to look into it. So I'll show you one example how this was executed. So accordingly, we can give the uh, values. A return message, call hello world. This is okay. These are all we know already. Okay, now next class we are going to use the if. Okay, if functions. Okay, these things also we will practice. Let me see why we have written. We have given one value, and I want to print a multiple values. Okay. Mhm. Don't we got the only one. Everywhere it's got printed only one. Hmm? If I want to print, how do I give? Okay. Can I get charger? Okay. Hmm? So here in procedure, what we will do? Okay. Where is our procedure? Hmm. Okay. Now written subtract. Okay. And then um, plus button. Hmm. Okay. Plus single quotation and plus okay plus uh, output value I'll give to first multiplication. Okay. Let me see whether it will work or not. Mm. Numeric value is not recognized. It is not printing it on. Let me try like this. Okay, so we got the -1. Okay, but it has given, you see, here I will now, I got the output. Hmm? I'll give some space. Okay. Hmm. Okay, got it. Okay, this is 100, the first one. This is 20,000. Okay, if once you multiply it. Now what I will give, I'll add the here some comments. Now you see. Subtraction value is and double hmm, um, double lines. What we call this one? I forgot. And then comma. hmm, uh, Total multi multiplication value is okay, like this and give. Now you see the result. See, this is my understanding. Accordingly, I am giving the preparing the procedure so that I'll get my way. Hmm? Okay, can you see? See, subtraction value is -100, comma, total multiplication value is 20,000. Okay, okay. So accordingly, I can write. Hmm. I was giving my plus, so it is giving some wrong result. Okay, so pipeline we need to give double pipeline to get the value. Got it. So this is very simplest procedure. Hmm? Okay, you can give anything. So tomorrow, what I will do, I will explain you the if condition. Okay, so where it was? Yeah, this was. Okay, here you had where it was mm, somewhere. Okay, yeah, if. So next, what we do, we will use this one, if condition. Okay, and then we will use how to read the data from the table, how to load the data into the table. Okay, that way we can discuss. Okay, are you clear now? How to create a procedure, how we can print the value? Do you have any questions? So see, I am going very slow here because the initial step is very important. Okay, so by seeing this, you no need to read again. Okay, like this I'm trying to explain here the procedure. Okay, so this is what you need to give the procedure. Okay, so declare and begin and print the value. Okay, so this is how your procedure. Now this procedure, what I will do, I will store this procedure also in my git. That also we will see. Git also I'll explain tomorrow, not today. And so this procedure, right? So we have executed multiple times, right? Now if I open this procedure, okay, my first proc, I have it three times. Hmm? definition, my first prop, my first prop. Okay, I have given a different value, so as it, I think it has taken like this, but it should. Okay, now let me see. Hmm, my first prop. Okay, there's a problem, right? Why I do have this many times? Hmm, maybe I'm shocked actually. Okay. Uh-huh. See why this was created like this. Hmm. I have used a replace function, but still it got created like this. Let me refresh. Oh, oh, oh. Still with the same name, but we have different parameters. So that is the reason I guess it has given like this. Okay, I'll keep the same, but many times I have executed. I'll add this one also. Let's see whether it will create it. No, or open bracket, and I'll give just like this and add mm, uh, total of is okay. Mm. Okay, with the same, it is considering this also, I guess. Okay, that is the purpose. But generally, it should not. Okay, procedure name should be taken care by with the name itself. But okay, here in procedure, you see, if you are changing anything here, it will consider as a that is new procedure. Okay. Okay, so this is very important procedure, and what you need to do, you have to practice all these procedures. Okay, today I have explained very simple procedure. Similarly, you need to practice today only. If you practice today, then only you can able to complete your all the uh, sessions whenever we complete it. Hmm? Okay. Any questions before I drop? Hello. Okay, so we have seen today how we can print the value, and today we have seen how we can pass the parameters, and today we have discussed how we can do the subtraction, additions, and multiplications. Now you do divisions also. When you practice, right, you do the division and give me the result. And you pass the messages, okay, and print the values like this and show with me. Okay, please share the screenshots. Am I clear?
Clear అన్న.
Okay. Okay, so this is good actually. Hmm? Let's practice one by one, and tomorrow we will discuss the if condition, how we can, because that is very important in real time also. I will show you why it is important. Okay, then we can discuss further also. And then I will show you how to load the data, how to read the data, that I will show you. And Sunday we will start the project. Okay, because we have the data in our this table. So we load the data from this table to our schema. So it is kind of a project. Okay, we will be going to discuss. Okay then. Okay, thank you so much, and see you tomorrow. Yeah, thank you all.